welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Mister, and what we're going to do today is we're going to fix a SNAC adapter for the Neo Geo. Basically, it's not just for the Neo Geo. The DB15 works on arcade cores as well, so it's well worth the money to buy one. I did find a seller on eBay that allows you to buy like a SNAC adapter. Let me put that up on screen here real quick. Okay, this is the SNAC adapter, and basically it kind of looks like that. And yeah, so the SNAC adapter allows you to play Neo Geo and Go arcade cores with the Neo Geo AES fighting stick. You can also make your own, as long as it uses that DB15 connector. And as long as you have the Mr. Pi and Mr., it should work fine. The problem is if you don't install this specific version, it's not going to work. This version goes, so if you, I'll put this in the link below in the video, but you got to go here, and then you go to this page, you look for Neo Geo, you download this specific version, and then it downloads to your computer. And once you download it, you go into your, so if you go to root, you go to your mount, or sorry, media. Then you go into your console, or FAT, then you go into your console, and then you drop this RDF into here. Okay, now that you have that, what you need to do is, this is WinSip. You just get the IP address from your device, and then let me navigate to it. So what you do is you go backwards. Oops. There's your IP address, and then once you're in here, you go to scripts, and then you go to yes. Let me make this bigger. And then you go to update all, and then you hit the up button to cancel, and then you go in here and you make sure that you have all this stuff's on. And then I went to other tools and scripts, and I turned on like arcade organizer or something like that. And then I think I went into ROMs and BIOSes, and then I did arcade, turned this on, and then I selected, and then I exited and updated all. And then it goes through a script, it updates it all for you. And then once it's done, I'm not going to go through it because I just did it, but it goes through a script there for you, and then it updates the system for us. And then you go into your console, or you can go to your console, and then you can go to your, if you go to the normal Neo Geo, what happens is if you go in here, I'll just go in here for now just to kind of show you what the problem is. You can't select your SNAC adapter. That's the problem. So what you got to do is actually go to the one that you put in there. So on that website, you'll see what version it is. It's a 07 is what I remember, right? So when you go to this website here, you see that it's Neo Geo 07. So that's why I'm like, oh, it's got to be 07. You can delete that other one, but I'm going to keep it there. I just wanted to show you guys. So you go in here, and then once you're in here, you can then select your IO joysticks. You just select DB15, and then number of players, you can have up to 2, and then and that should work. And then once you're there, then you can click your ROM set, and then you grab your SNK thing, This is Mahjong or whatever. But you can play your arcade games. Well, anyway, so you can play that. And then what you also could do is, say you don't want to play that anymore. You can go back. You can pick your core. You can go to arcade. And what's really cool is you can use the same SNAC adapter to play arcade games. Then you press your menu button. Go ahead. Exit out of your menu button. And I'm playing with my Neo Geo SNK joystick. Very nice system, and it's very fun. I remember playing this as a kid, so it was pretty cool. You can also play The Simpsons. And you can play multiple players. I just don't have multiple controllers yet. I bought the Neo Geo controller with the joystick thing, and it should work too. Just using the Neo Geo CD controller. But anyway, so that's kind of cool. So it plays both the SNK and everything like that. So let me exit out of here real quick and mute the sound. Anyway, I think it's like double sounding. Yeah. Anyway, but that's pretty cool. As far as that goes, yeah, I kind of like messed up the sound. I didn't realize, but that's just how you kind of use it and how you update it. I hope that you guys find this useful, and I should be updating a couple more of these in the future. So yeah, it's pretty nice. We get to yeah, I can close this. Yeah, but yeah, it's pretty nice, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it's informative enough for you guys. And I thank you guys for watching. All right, bye now.